Welcome to our creative sanctuary. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, our journey begins with the revival of reclaimed wood and metal sourced from the waste industry. We believe every piece of material tells a story, and by reimagining these discarded treasures, we not only preserve the environment, but also celebrate craftsmanship. Our mission is to transform neglected materials into beautiful home decor items that add character and charm to any space, breathing new life into what was once considered waste. The process of working with reclaimed materials is both rewarding and challenging. Each piece of wood or metal carries its own unique history and character, shaped by time and nature. We approach each project with an open mind, ready to embrace imperfections that can turn every creation into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. The scrapes, dents, and weathered finishes become defining features, adding depth and authenticity to our work. This connection to the past not only enhances the visual appeal but also tells a deeper story through every crafted item. Our designs are rooted in the idea that beauty exists in imperfection. For instance, a distressed wooden plank can be transformed into a stunning coffee table, while a piece of rusted metal can find new life as decorative wall art. By highlighting the natural features of these materials, we create items that celebrate their unique qualities. This approach not only fosters aesthetic appreciation but also encourages a more sustainable way of thinking about decor, inviting others to see beauty in the overlooked. Nature serves as a constant source of inspiration for our creations. The colors of reclaimed wood, varying from deep browns to vibrant reds, often remind us of the changing seasons and the various elements found in nature. Similarly, the textures of aged metal evoke images of landscapes shaped by time and the elements. By incorporating these organic influences into our designs, we aim to create pieces that resonate with the world around us, bringing a touch of nature into the home. Community plays a vital role in our creative journey. We are committed to fostering a space where individuals can share their ideas, experiences, and inspirations. By building a supportive environment, we encourage creativity and collaboration, allowing knowledge and passion for sustainable decor to flourish. We value the input of every member of our community, as it enriches our collective experience and sparks innovation. Education is at the forefront of our mission. We believe that understanding the importance of reclaimed materials and their ecological benefits can inspire others to adopt sustainable practices. By sharing our knowledge, we empower viewers to make conscious choices in their decor and to explore the world of repurposing. Together, we can promote a mindset that values sustainability and creativity, leading to a positive impact on the environment. Mindful consumption is a value we uphold throughout our creative process. Choosing reclaimed materials allows us to reduce waste and lessen our environmental footprint. By reusing items that might otherwise end up in landfills, we can transform redundant resources into something beautiful and functional. This commitment to sustainability is fundamental to our ethos, and we encourage others to consider the impact of their choices on the planet. Creating beauty from what was once deemed trash is an extraordinary journey. The joy of transforming reclaimed materials into beautiful home decor fuels our passion for creativity. Each project is an opportunity to explore new techniques, experiment with different designs, and discover the immense potential within each piece. We embrace challenges that arise during the creative process, recognizing that growth often comes from taking risks and stepping outside of our comfort zones. Our workspace is filled with the sights and sounds of creativity in action. The smell of sawdust, the clatter of tools, and the vibrant energy of revival create a dynamic atmosphere. We take pride in our craftsmanship and the meticulous attention to detail that goes into every project. It's not just about creating beautiful items. It's about honing our skills, celebrating the process, and enjoying every moment spent in this creative sanctuary. We believe that everyone has the potential to create something beautiful, regardless of their experience level. By showcasing our work and sharing our triumphs and challenges, we aim to inspire others to embark on their own creative journeys. We encourage experimentation and exploration, inviting individuals to find their unique style and voice through the art of repurposing. This journey is one of discovery, self-expression, and creativity. As we continue to explore the possibilities of reclaimed wood and metal, we invite you to join us in this evolving adventure. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting to dip your toes into the world of crafting, there's a space for you in our community. Together, we can share ideas, inspire one another, and celebrate the beauty of transformed materials. Each piece we create holds the potential to be not just decor, but a testament to innovation and sustainability. Thank you for watching. We're grateful to have you join us on this journey of creativity and sustainability. By reviving reclaimed wood and metal from the waste industry, we strive to create beautiful home decor treasures that inspire and uplift. Your support means everything to us. If you enjoyed our content, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread the message of sustainable creativity. Together, let's continue to transform waste into wonder. Thank you for being a part of our community.